Let's talk about the latest launched Xiaomi smartphone Redmi Note 13 Pro refined stylish body design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED display, 6.67 inches Full HD plus punch hole display, resolution of 1080 by 2400 pixels, 20:9 aspect ratio, 88.9% screen to body ratio, approximately 395 ppi pixel density, 1300 nits peak brightness, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 5 protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 200 megapixel OIS main camera, along with 8 megapixel ultra-wide-angle camera. And with 2 megapixel macro camera. For selfies it has 16 megapixel front camera, video recording. Maximum 1080p at 30/60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 13 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of MIUI 14 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 2.2 GHz dual-core Cortex A76 plus 2 GHz hexa-core Cortex A55, powered by MediaTek Helio G99 Ultra chipset, paired with Mali G57 MC2 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 8 GB, 12 GB of LPDDR4X RAM, with 8 GB, 12 GB extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 2.2 onboard storage, which is further expandable up to 1 TB dedicated micro SD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 161.1 by 74.95 by 7.98 mm, and it weighs around 188 grams. The color options: midnight black, forest green, lavender purple. Colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5000 mAh battery, with 67-watt fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features in-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with AI Face Unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 4G, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.2, GPS, 3.5 mm headphone jack, with dual speakers, USB Type-C charging port, NFC, IR blaster, IP54 dust and splash resistant. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro has been priced in Pakistan for 8 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 74,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $268, while the 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 89,999 Pakistani rupees, and around $322. Conclusion: so what do you guys think of this Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro smartphone? Let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.